Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Mate and today I'm going to talk to you about ChatGPT, right? So I've already spoken much about what ChatGPT is and how generative AI is helping the people around in this era, right? I just quickly want to address one of the problems like across. You see that whether ChatGPT will replace the traditional jobs. Yes and no as well, right? So when I say yes, why? Because see, every phase starting from the industrial age 1, 2, 3, 4, right? So it has a few things associated with that. So for example, in 1900s, people used to with hand they used to manufacture cars, right? But as we progressed, things have changed. So now when ChatGPT has come, right? So there are very aspects to that. Regulation is one of the aspects, the data set is one of the aspects, right? There could be many aspects, but I don't totally believe the chat GPT will replace humans as such. One of the primary reasons is that humans have got the mind, the power to think, empathy, human touch, emotions, right? And that is one of the crucial factors which we'll take into the consideration. Second thing, if you see in early 90s, right, when there was a software boom and evolution will happen, it was thought that everything will be lost and software will replace humans, but it didn't. Right? In fact, it augmented humans. So I still believe and that as the AI will progress, yes, it will replace the mundane traditional jobs, but at the same time, it will lift human race forward in terms of thinking, the thought process, and the creativity, right? And that is where the leap will happen. So it will be totally assistive. It will change the world, but at the same time, people will have to evolve and also learn in terms of how that AI can assist humans to have a better world and better customer experience and better products and better everything, right? So yeah, so it's not going anywhere, but at the same time, things will evolve. So we have to evolve as such. So if you like my video, please like and subscribe and do share. For more such videos, please put in the comment box. Let me know how it was. Thank you very much and have a